$1,000, and you say, which one of these options do you think would work best within your budgets and would benefit you within your necessities? You shut up. I have had times where I sat down on the client's kitchen table for 3 minutes. For 3 minutes, they were still debating in between three. I did not say a word. The first person who says something will lose. If you, as an insurance agent, say which one of these three would work best for you, they pause for a minute, and after a minute you say, that's going to make you lose. That is not going to make you sell. If you say one word, you will lose. Okay? When you show three options and you have built a good relationship with the client, it's impossible for them to say nothing. 99% of the time, I have had only one time, and I don't want to swear, but I only had one time that somebody said no. Only one time. Out of in this 5 months that I've sold over 90 policies, I've only had one time that they said no. Every time I showed three options, I stayed quiet. After I show three options, I stay quiet. Even if it's 10 minutes, I'm looking right into their eyes, waiting for them to choose something. And they will choose. They would go like, well, 2,000, but 10,000?